We just went through the workshop on integrity system by Sal Consulting, and I have to say that I'm very happy to have this experience, because I was working with a very good group, women, 5 women, and we went through it looked just 10 questions, but it's 10 questions they covered very complex way, and I loved it the way, because sometimes in the life the most important things are when we are coming to the simpleness and very clear clarification, and it's a long process, and I can see it on this integrity system that is a lot of thinking, a lot of intellectual power, a lot of sharing, a lot of things behind to came to these 10 questions. But these 10 questions are, for me, it was really fantastic experience. They cover everything from most different point of view, because in which group you were?
I had the cooperation group, so we talked about a young woman that was happy with her job and her position, but she just struggled because the leader of her department was spreading bad vibes, and she didn't know what to do because of the negativity. She just felt insecure about what she did. And these 10 questions just help you to have a kind of guidance through finding a solution for what you might struggle with right now.
Absolutely. We have a completely different story. We have a mother with a teenager problems, and we had also family problems. But exactly, these 10 questions, they are simple enough to cover all very complex life which we are living, and with all these problems.
Yeah, I feel like these 10 questions you can put on any kind of issue, any kind of problem, and you just hope for the best solution.
Yeah, it's a private problem. It's a problem in your work. It's a problem with a partner in your job. It's everything. Yeah, it's very complex. I would really suggest it to people to try, we tried.